Hello students. In this lecture, we are going to study cosine rule, or in other form you can say law of cosine. So it also for the triangle, and what is the triangle? Let us consider one triangle here, and if this is the triangle, this is, let us say this is side A, so this is A, this is side B, this is B, and this is side C, so this is C. Angles, sides are known by their angles. This terminology we call sides are known by their angles, because if angle A is here, opposite side is always A. If angle B is here, opposite side is angle B. If C is here, opposite side is angle C. So there are three laws. Clear? What are these three laws? It is A square equals to B square plus C square minus twice of BC cos capital A. This is first. What is second? B square is equal to. Now if A is equal to, so other two sides, B square plus C. B is equal to other two, A and C. A square plus C square minus 2AC, and angle will be related to B. Now third one is C square. So what are the other two sides? A and B. So A square plus B square minus twice of AB cos of angle C. These are the three cosine rule. Clear? And the same things come. Same means where we can use, where we cannot use. So where sine rule is used, cosine rule is not used. And where cosine rule is used, sine rule is not used. So only two places where we use where we use cosine rule. There are two instances. If you remember, there were two places where we cannot use sine rule. So what it is? Two sides and angle between them. Angle between them. This is the condition number one. If this is the triangle, you just mention any two sides. Let us say this is 4, this is 7. So angle between them is given. If two sides and angle between them is given. If this side is given, angle between them is given. So here two sides and angle between them. Maybe these two sides, this angle, maybe these two sides or this angle. Okay. Then we can use cosine rule. Number 2. All three sides are given. All three sides are given. Then we use cosine rule. Means this is. So it is 4, 5 and 6. All three sides are given. No angle is given. Clear? Here what we need to do? We need to find the third side. We need to find this angle and this angle. Here we need to find all the three angles. Understand? And remember always, when we able to evaluate the third angle, second angle means two angles we evaluated. Third angle we will evaluate by using the property angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. This is the standard equation. If two angles are known, to evaluate the third angle. Okay, so this is about the laws of cosine, or you can say this is about the cosine rule. Okay, so we will solve two type of question, same, because two type of problems we can solve with the help of cosine rule. So we'll solve two problems only. Problem number 1. What is problem number 1? A triangle is given like this one. This is the triangle, and let's say this is angle A, this is angle B, this is angle C. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. Okay. This is B and this is C. Okay. Now this angle is given 30 degree. This angle is given tan. Sorry, this side, sorry. And this side is given is 6. Three things are given. Two sides. What is this? This question belongs to two sides and angle between them belongs to two sides and angle between them category. This is okay. Let us see what we have given is angle B is given how much? It is 30 degree. A is equal to 10 is given and C is equal to 6 is given. What we need to calculate? What we need to find? Angle A, angle C and the side B. This we need to calculate. Okay. So let us see where we can calculate, means what we need to calculate. A, C and B is given. A, C and B. Look, A, C and B is given. So we can calculate side B. This is the first thing. Clear? Okay. So first we will use the B square is equal to A square plus C square minus twice of AC cos of B. First we are going to use this equation. What is the value of A? The value of A is 10 power 2. Value of C is 6 power 2 minus 2 times 10 times 6 cosine of 30 degree. So 10 square is 100. 6 square is 36 minus 2 times 10 is 20 times 6 120 and times cos 30. We will take the value from the calculator 30 and cos. It is 8660. It is 0.8660. This is the value. Okay, let us multiply this value by 120. Okay, so answer is 103. Now let us take this is negative. So we will take plus 36 and plus 100. How much it is? We are getting 32.07. But this is the value of B power 2. So how we can calculate the value of B? By taking square root. And remember, before square root we always write plus minus. But here we will not use plus minus sign. Why? Because it is a length. Remember, I am writing here, length cannot be negative. So plus minus will not be taken. Okay, we are all every time choosing the value of positive. So B is equal to taking the square root of 32.07. Square root, where it is? It is a square root. Okay, no problem. We will take this square root 2. This is 5.66. So the value of B coming 5.66. Okay. So now B we are known. B value is clear. So B is clear means this value of B is 5.66. Now three sides are known. So it is very simple. Now you can choose any of the equation. Why? Because all three sides are known. So if you want to find cosine A, use first equation. If you want to find cosine C, use third equation. So let us use equation number 1. Sorry. So point number 2, it is A square is equal to B square plus C square minus twice of BC cosine of A. What is the value of A? Let us check. The value of A, 10 and C 6. A is 10. And value of B, 5.66 and 6. 5.66 plus 6 square minus twice of 5.66 into 6 cosine of A. So I want to verify whether another value is 6. Yes, perfect. Now it is very simple. You need to calculate it. Simplify calculation. 10 power 2 is 100. 5.6 whole square. It is 32.07. It is 32.07 plus 6 power 2 is 36 minus. Multiply these values. How much it is? 2 times 5.66 and times 6. This is 67.92 cosine of A. So if you want to find the value of cosine of A, so how much it will be? It will be 100 minus, or you can say 100 minus 32.07, this value, minus 36, and upon this value minus 67.92, and find the value of cosine of A. So we will do 100 minus 32.07 minus 36. This is divide by 67.92, and this value is negative. So this one. So how much we are getting? We are getting minus 0.4701. It is minus 4701. This is after simplification. Now A is equal to cosine inverse negative 4701. Okay, let us see how much is the value of angle A. Now we need to cosine inverse. Cosine inverse. The angle is 118 degree, 118.04. So we can take it 118 because it is 0.04 is very small number. So the angle A is 118 degree. Okay. So now the third remaining angle C. Angle C means now one angle was given, one angle we calculated. So we will use the property angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. What is the value of angle A? It is 118 degree plus angle B, forget, is 30 degree. Is 30 degree and plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So total it is 148 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 148 degree, and this is 32 degree. So another angle is coming as 32 degree. Clear? So we evaluated all the three things, but how we are doing? First we use the second relation to calculate the value of B. Then we use the first relation to calculate the angle A, and then we use the property of triangle that the sum of three angles is 180 degree. Okay, so you need to remember these three relations. You need to learn these three relations, and after learning, you need to identify what is given and what we can evaluate. Understand or not? So this is very, very important, these three rules. Okay, now we will solve uh, one question with the property in which three sides are given. Okay, so let us take one triangle and we will choose values different from the book. We are not going to choose the values same. A, let us take A is equal to 10. B, let us take B is equal to 5. C, let us take C is equal to how much? Let us take 8. This is. These values we have taken 5, 8 and 10. A similar example is given in your book. After solving this question, you can practice that question as example. Okay. This is why we are using cosine rule. Since three sides are given, so we are using cosine rule or law of cosine. Clear? So what is given? How we are writing? A is equal to 10, B is equal to 5 and C is equal to 8. Clear? What we need to find? We need to find angle A, angle B and angle C. We need to find. This is the question. Okay. So now you can take any equation because all the three sides are given. Value of A, B, C is given. So we will use 2 times same law and then we will use the third. For the third angle, we will use the property. Sum of three angles is 180 degree. So we are taking this first is A square equals to B square plus C square minus twice of BC cosine of A. So ABC is given. We will able to find the value of cosine A. A is 10 power 2 equal B is 5 power 2. C is 8 power 2 minus 2 times 5 times 8 cosine of A. So it is 100 equal to 5 times 2 is 25. 8 times 2 is 64. Now 5 times 2 is 10 times 8 is 80 cosine of A. So what is the value of cosine of A? If you want to find, it is 100. Shift this minus 25 minus 64 and upon minus 80. This is how we are evaluating, because shift this value left side, this value left side and then divide by minus 80. You will get it. Okay. So solving this value, use calculator. How much it is? Let us take 100 minus 25 minus 64. So numerator is 11. Divide by 80 with negative minus 80. So minus 80 you can write by plus minus. This is. So 1375. We are getting minus 0.1375. Okay. Now taking inverse. So what is the value of A? It is cosine inverse Z negative 0.1375. And you can take this value of cosine. This value, such cosine inverse. How much? 97.90. So the angle of A is 97.9 degree. Clear? So if three sides are known, you can take any equation. Like we evaluated angle A, now we will evaluate angle B. How we will evaluate? The same procedure. B square equals to A square plus C square. Because B, so other two sides AC minus 2AC, and here will be cos B. So just try to find out. It is tan 5 8. It is tan 5 and 8. Okay, so it is minus 2 times tan times 8 is cosine of B. 5 times 2 is 25. 10 times 2 is 100. 8 times 2 is 64. 2 times 10 is, it is, there was also AC. How this is coming? BC. B was 5. Now AC. Oh, I put the value wrong. A I put 10. B I put 5. AC is, oh, AC is 80. AC is 80. Yes, correct. Oh, I was wrong. To 80, it will be 160. I thought why 80 is coming. In previous question also 80, here also 80. Okay. 2 times 10 is 20. 20 times 8 is 160. Okay. Now cosine of B, 25 minus 100. You shift this 100, minus 100, minus 64, and divide by minus 160. Find this value. Use calculator. 25 minus 100 minus 64. How much it is? Minus 139. Divide by 160. But it is negative. So negative by plus minus. This is 0.86875. So what will be B? B is equal to cosine inverse 0.86875. And what is the angle? Just type this value. This is typed. Taking inverse, cosine inverse. Put cosine inverse 29.68 degree. 29.68 degree. This is how we evaluate the angle B. Now, to find the third angle, we will use the property of the sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So, what is the value of angle A? The value of angle is 97.9. It is 97.9 plus angle B 29.68. Angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now plus them. How much it is? 97.9 plus 29.68. It is 127.58. 127.58 plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. And angle C is equal to 180 minus 127.58. And if you will subtract it, 50, 52, the answer should be 52.42 degree. Let us check with the help of calculator. It is plus minus and plus 180 degree. 52.4. Perfect. Clear? So we calculated three angles. First angle, second angle, and third angle by the property. So you need to use, while three sides are given. Clear? These three sides are given, these three sides are given, these three sides are given. So you can use any two relation. You can find AB, you can find BC, or you can find AC. And the third angle you can calculate with this property. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Clear? So we have solved 4 questions. 2 questions for cosine rule, 2 questions for sine rule. And these are the prime questions. Means in cosine rule only two possibilities are there. Two side and angle between them is given, then we use cosine rule. If three sides are given, then we use cosine rule. So under these conditions, I have tried to solve both these questions. Still, if you have any problem, please write to me. You can share the question with to me in chat box. I will try to provide you solution. Thank you very much.